Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 2 topic Modern Academic Library. An academic library is a library that is attached to a higher institutions and serve two complementary purposes. The first one, to support the curriculum. The second one, to support the research of the university faculty and students. The academic library serve the two important purpose. The first one, support the curriculum. The second one, support the faculty and student of the research. An academic research portal maintained by UNESCO links to 3,785 libraries around the world. The UNESCO linked to 3,785 libraries. According to the National Center for Education Statistics, there are an estimated 3,700 academic library in the United States. The United States only having the 3,700 libraries, academic libraries. Academic libraries must determine a focus for collection development, since comprehensive collection are not feasible. Librarians do this by identifying the needs of the faculty and student body, as well as the mission and academic progress of the college or universities. The academic library that transformed in the 21st century to focus less on physical collection development and move on information access and digital resources. Today, academic library typically provide access to subscription based online resources, including research databases and e-book collection, in addition to physical books and journals. Today, the academic libraries typically provide access to subscription based online resources. Then, the academic library also offer space for students to work and study in group or individually on silent floor, and reference and research help services, sometimes including virtual reference services. The academic modern library help to student to study and work and help to research, and virtual reference to studies. These are important of the modern academic library. A major focus of modern academic library is information literary instruction, with most American academic libraries employing a person or development of people dedicating primarily to instructions. Primarily to instruction to people. Many academic institutions offer the faculty status of librarians And librarians are often expected to publish a research in their field. Academic library position in the United States usually require on MLI's degree form and ALA aggregated institutions. The librarian is very important role of the academic institutions. The Association of College and Research Libraries is the largest academic libraries organization in the United States. Let us see what are the object of academic library. The academic libraries are dynamic instrument of education. Dynamic instrument of education. They support institutions to which they belong in fulfilling the objectives and advances their aims. They support the faculty in teaching and research programs. The primary objective of these libraries is conservation and the preservation of knowledge. The primary objective of libraries is conservation and the preservation of knowledge of people and faculties. What are the uses of academic libraries? Traditionally, the library user have been classified into groups. Whitaker's classified then into general readers, subject readers, special reader and non-reading users. Similarly, Envelo grouped them into specialist, student, disadvantaged majority and the indisposed. These are user of academic libraries. What are the features of academic library? From the study, there are 7 features to consider the academic library as a quality organizations. The quality organization having a well-fledged library. The library have a 7 quality of characteristics. The first one standard, the second one physical sources, the third one human resources, the fourth one financial resources, the fifth one information resources, the sixth one work process, and seventh one excellence service. These are the qualities of or features of modern academic libraries. What are the importance of modern academic library? A library is an important source of knowledge to young minds in schools and colleges and universities. It develops the important habit of reading among the students. The library develops the important habit of reading among the students. School librarians help to impact positively on the academic achievements of the students. The students can perform better during examination by reading various books. These are important of academic library. Today we are discussing about introduction of library, objective of library and user of academic library and features of academic library and importance of academic library. Thank you student. We will meet next class.